Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add signature on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts and Subscriptions. Stay on Home, then go to top left corner. Now from there, go to Settings and Privacy, where you can see options like Manage Account, Face ID or Passcode, Customize Filters, Themes, Swipe Actions, Check Boxes, Reply Recommendations, Stars, Message Preview, Conversation, Dark Mode, Unread Badge Account, Notifications, then finally Signature. Tap on Signature, then enable it, and there you go. And guys, that's it. That's how you add signature on AOL app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.